Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to my channel, Recpe. Today, I'm beyond excited to share a recipe that's been taking the internet by storm. It's brand new, incredibly easy, and guess what? It has absolutely no chicken at all. Get ready to make the most delicious, mouth-watering, cheesy potato lava pockets you've ever tasted. First things first, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large boiled potatoes, half a cup of mozzarella cheese cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, an optional green chili for a little kick, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, salt to your taste, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, some water, a cup of breadcrumbs, and finally, oil for deep frying. All the exact measurements are in the description box below for you. Let's get cooking! The first step is to prepare our potato mixture. Grab your boiled potatoes and mash them until they are completely smooth. We don't want any lumps. To this, add your finely chopped onion, the green chili if you're using it, salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Finally, add the corn flour. Now, get in there and mix everything together thoroughly. Keep mixing until it forms a nice, smooth dough. This potato dough is the heart of our pockets, so make sure it's perfectly combined. Next up, let's get our cheesy surprise ready. Take your block of mozzarella cheese and cut it into small bite-sized cubes. These little cubes are going to create that amazing lava effect when we bite into our pockets. Just set them aside for now. We'll need them in a moment. Now for the fun part. Making the lava pockets. Take a small portion of your potato mixture and roll it into a ball in your palm. Gently flatten it into a small disc. Now, place one of your mozzarella cheese cubes right in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the potato mixture up and around the cheese, sealing it completely. Make sure it's sealed tightly so none of that cheesy goodness escapes while frying. Shape it into a neat little pocket or a ball. Repeat this process until you've used up all your potato mixture. We're almost there. It's time for the coating, which is the secret to that super crispy exterior. In a small bowl, mix the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with a little bit of water. Whisk it until you have a smooth, thin, slurry, not too thick, not too watery. In another plate, spread out your breadcrumbs. Take each potato pocket. First, dip it into the flour slurry, making sure it's fully coated. Let any excess drip off, and then immediately transfer it to the breadcrumbs. Roll it around, pressing gently, so it gets a nice, thick, even coating of crumbs all over. This double coating is key. Finally, it's time to fry these beauties. Heat your oil in a pan over a medium flame. It's important the oil isn't too hot, or the outside will burn before the cheese inside melts. Gently place the coated pockets into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them, turning occasionally, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are perfectly crispy on all sides. This should take just a few minutes. Once they're done, take them out and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. Just look at these incredible, cheesy potato lava pockets. Listen to that crunch. The texture is just perfect. And now for the moment of truth. Wow, look at that. Cheese lava oozing out from the inside. It's so unbelievably crunchy on the outside, and the inside is just a river of warm, melty, gooey cheese. The spiced potato and the rich mozzarella are a match made in heaven. These are absolutely irresistible and perfect for any party, snack time, or whenever you're craving something amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this super easy and viral recipe. If you did, please show some love by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends and family. And of course, do you forget to subscribe to Learn Bangli Rect for many more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.